So you guys,
Hello guys, I'm in the town just coming right now. So I have some special things to I take from here. So I'm coming just now. Let's see this out of the screen. Actually coming to the store to buy the flowers in the store. So for the wedding. Here guys, you can see that this is the hanging of the flowers and the lots of flower. This is the flower shop. And actually I'm coming for to take the flowers for wedding. Just my sister wedding is running on in my village, so I'm coming a long distance riding with my bike in here. Let's see, this is the amazing flower, looking at different type of flowers are in there. So look there, what the variety of this color. This is the rose, I don't know, but this is the all about this is name, but it is looking different and coming from the different state, different places in here. So it is amazing looking that. And other on the other one is that you can see here, this is the sunflower and other, I don't know but it is name, but it is the hanging, and this is originally, or this is made by the plastic or anything, or not, or this is you look that this is the in the under this shop. It is very flowers, more of flowers over in there hanging. And the merchant are calling someone to bring the some flowers. I don't know about what is the matter about that, but I'm actually coming for this to take the flowers. And already I have given the some lists here to take the flowers. And look that this is all the hanging of the flowers as taking. I'm just take two flowers in the which given the on my list, and I'm just waiting for just time pass doing on. And this is the look so beautiful, and these flowers I take the rose, too many kind of the rose. One of the yellow rose and other is the red rose, and that is me. Just take a boring to leave from these places, and just to keep in this inside the merchant store, this shop. You know that there is the on the under of this the store they are making the some flowers like the gajra or other, just the time lapses in here. It is called the mala with the flowers.
somebody
I
people
cannot
has gone and
discover.
going through this out of this door, and people are here near of the store,
And the
they are buying
other out of the
this store,
town, there is the very sun is shining and the hot is the places. And look at the other behind on the other forward on this shop near. This is the clothes about the other, some the blankets and like that, the other clothes in here. So you can see that there are also clothes are in this include in here. This is the on the shop. And guys on the other person are outside as they're running, and they are going through. This is the out of the this is the drain, and some of the parking bikes in are. This is the view of the our town to the central road, guys. And thus you can see that all the and other of the both of the flowers in are the marigolds is the flower name is the marigold. I know this the yellow color and the red color is the pink color. I don't know, everything is the like this the rose and other. This is the shop of the rose. Anybody want to purchase this stop from the store, and please behind I will give the location in here on my YouTube channel. Please anybody want to this the purchase and someone need to flowers for the wedding, so please come behind on this shop. This is the name of the shop is the I will given on the link on the description the name of this shop, and it is included from the filter. And this the I'm talking with the merchant, and this is the menu of the stores near of the behind. And one flower I had shorted, but I had finally got it before some of the doing and some of the searching on my with my bike riding and searching on flower. And finally I got this the many of the various type of the flowers coming from the out of the this is of the state of like the Kolkata, Chennai or Vancouver.